she said that once you start becoming a couple, you stop having sex. Like what? All right, so off the bat, this show is like an older crowd already, and I guess they have already gone through some things in life. If you know anything about Japanese life, bro, it is hard. These people work like Rihanna without the play. So yeah, I'm interested in watching this. It's gonna be great. All right, so these people are about my age and older. I will be the second youngest person in the show. What the hell is this? All right. So the show is boom. You have 8 people living together, 4 males, 4 females, 35 and older, to find their last love. If they want to profess their love, they have to go to the hilltop, ring the bell, profess their love, get a reply the following day, and then if they become a couple, they kiss and leave the village together. If the person gets rejected, they leave and get replaced. This is amazing because if you don't get the right reply, you're out of there, and some fresh blood comes in, and at least going to keep it nice and fresh. And I can see so many different permutations. Oh, this is gonna work out. Crazy. So they go around asking. So in the first scene, they go around asking anonymous questions and you know regular normal question like, "What's your education level?" The other highlight was, "What's the most exciting sex you've had?" And Tabo, of course, clearly the Ikimen of the group, 35-year-old, says that he, you know, when he was in a long distance relationship with his girlfriend from, what did he say, girlfriend? Right, from America, 3 months, when they met, he can't even say what they did to each other. Japanese people, I didn't talk about sex like that. But you guys were all shy and all that. They weren't even drinking alcohol. So, I mean, it was nice them opening up, and then the girls admitted that they are easy the course when the guy comes onto them strong. They just go with the lead. And that is something that you will see a lot in the society if you're dating in Japan. Just out and about in Japan, you're seeing that if men are very strong and persuasive, the Japanese women tend to just submit and go along with it for whatever reason. Even it might not be a good idea. But yeah, facts. That she just said, why am I looking over here? She said that once you start becoming a couple, you stop having sex. Like what? That's so weird. And it's something that happens in Japan a lot. Persons who get married, have children, the sex between the couples actually stop, and so a party might need still has needs, so they're going to find, you know, find somewhere to scratch that itch. You know what I mean? So yeah, you have a lot of marriages that are just for show and for the support of the family, and each person has their boyfriend or girlfriend on the outside. That's something that's very common here. All right, cool. So then, first we have looks like we're having the formation of 2 couples. So we have Taba and Tochan and Yukimon and Hollywood. Now, of course, when Taba was putting on the screen, Tochan was like looking at him like, I'm gonna. And then in her interview later, she said, "Yo, the only person for me is Tabo. He's so cool or whatever." You know what I mean? So Tabo is a businessman, 25-year-old who runs 2 restaurants in the US as well as in Fukuoka, I think. Oh, has a 12-year-old son in elementary sixth grade and is a therapist. What kind of therapist? Like massage. Then now you have UK man who's a barista, and Hollywood, the actor that left was in the US and Australia for 30 years from the age of 19, wanted to be an actor. He's a stuntman, and he's putting on moves. This guy's voice supposed to have these girls super wet. All right, and all right. So now in this, you see it here, right? In this interview, this guy is fully gone for UK man. He said that he wants to protect her. Like that's the highest form of love, protecting somebody. You know what I mean? I hope it works out with him. Why am I so invested already? All right, so that is the video for this week. Wow. After a good start, already forming 2 couples here. I think this show has a lot of promise and it's a different angle, not the usual young, under 35 working class age dating show with teenagers and young people that haven't experienced love. This is some real life, real Japanese people who have gone through it, Some of them have gone through it in life already and are looking to find something, I guess, for the final love of their life. If you like these type of videos, let me know in the comments down below. If you want to see the full watch reaction videos, come join the Patreon. All right, start as low as $1 US. I think I don't remember $3 US per month. You get videos that are not posted on YouTube. You get a video at least every week, maybe 2 videos and uncut scenes and stuff like that. All right, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, peace.